Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make money with QuickBooks. Create a focused niche, set clear monthly pricing, and deliver repeatable services via templates and automation. Use QuickBooks features like bank rules, recurring transactions, and class tracking to save time and scale. Package payroll, reconciliation, and advisory calls into tiers so clients upgrade for growth help. Keep records tight, use appraisal metrics, and reinvest in marketing to add new clients steadily. Find simple service bundles that clients understand and can buy easily. Offer a free consultation to diagnose needs and demonstrate QuickBooks value with live examples. Add monthly advisory hours to move clients from basic record-keeping to strategic guidance that justifies higher fees. Use templates and checklists so every client gets consistent output. Track conversion rates, client lifetime value, and monthly recurring revenue to refine pricing and grow predictably. Quick interrupt: if you find this helpful, please subscribe and like to keep these practical QuickBooks tips coming. Quick recommendation: grab an Owala water bottle to stay hydrated during long bookkeeping days. It fits cup holders and keeps water cold. I use it when powering through reconciliations and client calls. Check the description for the link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Automation is the lever that turns hours into scalable income streams. Set bank rules and recurring entries in QuickBooks to eliminate repetitive tasks and reduce errors. Integrate apps for receipts, payroll, and inventory so data flows automatically and clients get faster reports. Document workflows and train an assistant on templates to handle day-to-day tasks. With repeatable systems, you can add more clients and services without burning out or sacrificing quality.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.